Hello everyone, today I'm doing a science experiment. It's called testing milk.
I think you forgot about someone.
Lily, how did you get here?
I was here the whole time.
Oh, I did not notice, sorry.
No problem.
Are you ready to have fun?
I was born ready. What do we need for this experiment?
We need a plate, a cup of milk, and we need Q-tips, and we need food coloring, and dish soap. What do you think we're gonna do?
I think we're gonna drink the milk and then we're gonna dance.
No, silly Lily.
Oh.
Of course not.
Oh, then what am I gonna do then?
First we need the milk.
Okay.
Which color do you want?
Let me think. I want red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
No, Lily, one of these.
Oh, well, red, blue, and purple.
Okay, you asked for red, blue, and pink.
Wow, colorful.
Just wait until you see the magic of it.
Okay.
Then you'll see more colors. What do you think we're gonna do now?
I don't know.
Okay, you want to see the magic?
Of course I do. Wow. That looks so cool.
Do you know how this happened?
Yes, the milk took dancing classes.
No, silly Lily.
Oh.
Because it is chemical reaction.
A chemical what?
Reaction.
Oh, chemical reaction. What does that mean?
That means the milk is made out of water and fat. They connect together. But when we add the dish soap, they separate from each other. And that way it looks like the milk is dancing.
Oh, thanks for explaining and thanks for watching.
Bye. See you in the next video. But try to do that at home.
Can I drink the milk now and dance?
Yes, but not this milk.